Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw a Triceratops. Now I'm starting with construction lines and I've drawn an oval shape for the body. Now I'm sort of mapping in where the head is going to go. These lines are important to plan out my work. The top part of the head here where the plate around the top of his head is. Then some lines for where the horns are going to go. And also a little triangle shape for the first horn there. How cool are Triceratops? As a boy I used to love them because they could defend themselves against the T-Rex with their big horns. Now it's time for outlining, and I'm using a Copic multi-liner 0.5 to go around all the details. This is where you can refine any areas, make all the details look amazing. And you can see that I've got the base structure there. It makes it easier for me to draw with the pen. I hope you can follow along and create your own awesome Triceratops drawing. Now I've sped up the colouring, but I'm laying down some base colours with Copic markers of different values and different colours, so some lighter, darker areas, and then I work over the top with some pencils to provide the details. Now the reason I love Copics because they're translucent and you can see you can layer over and mix the colours on the page. Gel pen for the little white dot of the eye. Hey, check out some of these other videos that you can keep drawing some more dinosaurs.